Why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he don't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on it account because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Told him go put my name on that account because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, ayy. Bitch, I do rich shit, huh? My money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, huh? I'm on some pimp shit, ayy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do a wig review, something like that, maybe. So the hair came like this. These are the top and this bottom, and this is the wig bag. And in the bag, caps for my head, some wig caps, and the band to put. The length I got was 40 inches. I don't even know if y'all can see. 200 density. Loose, deep, and I got 40 inch because my birthday's coming up, and you know, I want to look good. It don't have a lot of lace. That's fine. So it's gonna shed because it's hair. All hair sheds. So inside we have 2 hooks right here at the side of your head, and 1 hook at the back of your head, and a strap to adjust how secure you want the wig. I need to bleach the knots. This way, oh my god, look at this. Guys, I'm bleaching my lace, and I'm just waiting. I got like 5 more minutes, I think. You know that I'm ghetto, and you know I can't find. I need to buy a wig cap. So don't look at my wig head. I need to buy a wig head, proper wig head. Don't look at this bitch. So I'm going to pluck the hairlines. It's okay, but it needs to be plucked. I'm not a professional, not yet. So I look bald. Look bald. Look like Miss Potato Head. Got to be spray because I don't want this to stay on forever. Okay. It's time. like this hair a lot. It's full. It's 200 in density. Oh, I should have got it in 250 because I like really big hair because I have a big face. So this is 200 in density. I like it a lot. I like how full it is, and as soon as it dries more at the back, I know it's going to be really full, and that's what I really like about it, and that's what I wanted. I could pull it halfway up. I could put it halfway up, half down, half up. I like that. I could do different styles with it. I like this a lot. I like this wig a lot. I like the curl pattern. The curl pattern is so gorgeous. Soft and whatnot. And it's gorgeous. I really love this hair. This hair is very gorgeous. So guys, I'll be right back. Give me a couple of hours. Let me go take a nappy nap. Let me go sleep. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love this hair so much. It's so full. Oh my god, I love a full hair that I could curl. So long. 40 inches, baby. 40 inches. Let's see if y'all can see. It is under my butt, so it's really long. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day.